The National Weather Service of Tallahassee has issued a hurricane warning for Tift County, Irwin County, Calhoun County, Crisp County, Leon County, and Lowndes County until 4:30 p.m. At 2:09 p.m., Hurricane Dot was seen producing a tornado at 57 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. If you are outdoors, please go to a building immediately. Don't wait. Seek shelter now. Repeat, a hurricane warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the Georgia counties.